As Danani, and today I will be talking about the screencast assignment in which where I had explored two different applications and see and find out like how each application will be beneficial for us as teachers in the classroom. So the first one which I chose to explore was the Animaker. Animaker is a video maker or a presentation maker application that allows the user to create animated videos. Not only the videos, but we can create the presentation. We can create the images using the pre-built characters, or you can all create your own animated characters and use it in your presentation and give it a life to your presentation. Now, after exploring a little bit, I found it as a wonderful site that teachers and students can use to create presentations, posters, animations, and even infographics. Instead of preparing a regular presentation, what we as teachers can do is like use the animated presentation. Sometimes students get bored looking at the same old presentation, but if it's an animated one, it can hook the students towards the presentation and it can help them engage in the process of learning. Since it has like entertaining visuals, it can clearly comprehend the concept, and also since it's an analogy to the cartoons, students will get hooked to it. It's also a brilliant and innovative new way to encourage children to communicate stories, ideas, and concepts in a creative and original way, and it also helps them in self-expressions. So now let's explore the site. Let's see how does the site look like and how we can create the animation or the video presentation. So as you can see over here, when you go to animaker.com, you will have to create your account, a free account. It's a free account. You can create a free account and it's going to take you on a dashboard like this. When you hit on create, it gives the option whether you want to create a video, create a GIF image, create a character, create a presentation, you want to do a screen recording, or you want to create a voice. So let's see if I want to create the image. Let's see if I want to, like, you have a pre-built templates, or you can even choose a blank one. So if I choose a blank one, it opens up a template where you can put in the characters or images, backgrounds. You can change the backgrounds, you can change the images, whatever you want. You can search the image, you can even upload the image, you can put in videos. Let's see characters. Let me show you how you can do the characters. For instance, if I want to add this character, I'm going to add it over here, and then you can even make the character moving. Like if I want to, I can move this character over here and I can add a motion to it. What I have to do is I can just have to click on the motion and choose which motion I would like. So for instance, if I want to do a walking, show this girl as walking, so I am going to create and then add it, and then I'm going to show it from where is she going to walk from here to here. And then I want then this girl to stand and say wave, like wave hello. So there it's gonna she's gonna wave hello. Then I want this to add and again walking. So I am going to choose walking, and then from there she's going to move from here I want to edit it. I can edit as I want, and I'm going to apply, and I am going to see how does it look like, and I'm going to play it. So it shows how the girl is walking and animated and how it's going to move. Similarly, if I go again on the dashboard, and if I want to create a video, I can hit on the video. You can see the different videos which you can play. For instance, if I want to use this this template, already pre-built template, I can use it. I can change the character. Instead of this girl, I want some another character. If not another character, I want to make my own character. You click on here, and then you choose, you create, this is the character which I had already created it. So that's the reason it's not letting me create, it's, I have to upgrade it to a paid version. Let's see if I can delete this and make a new one. Delete. Okay, yeah, confirm, delete, and then you create your own character. Let's see if I'm deleting. Create your own character. So I can make a new character. Which one do you want, a girl or a boy, he, she? So let's say like this. You can customize the character looking, like for instance, I want this. You can change the color, and then you can change their hairstyle, you can change their face shape, you can change their eyes, and then you hit just save. For instance, I just save, and then you can use, you go to the dashboard and you can use that same character in your presentation. Now let's see, if I want to create a presentation, we saw a video, a character, and let's see a presentation. If I want to create a presentation, I can create my own presentation, or I can even choose from the template. For instance, if I want to choose this template, and you click add all. Okay, does getting fit and healthy seem difficult? But if I want to change this, I can change this. If I want to change the character, I can change the character. If I want to animate it, I can just create the animation and click on the character. How I want to animate the character, the effect, enter effect. I want to zoom in, zoom out. You apply to all slides. Okay, and then it's going to animate. If I want to animate the unload, so let's see if I click here and present. So you see how it's animating. That's how you can animate your own character and make your own presentation. You can change the backgrounds, you can add pictures. If I want to add pictures on yoga, or maybe probably nature, and then if I want the whole screen to be like this, I can just click it. It's going to be on a whole screen. And then if I want to change the colors, I can hit on the template and change the color. And you can animate the videos, you can change the characters. It's pretty much very nice, and the students can make their own animations, like make their own presentation. If you want the students to, if you decide, for students, like, let's talk, you give a topic to the student and tell them, let's create our own, you get into the group and create your own presentation. This is wonderful for them to think and, like, choose each character, change the background, how they're going to animate it, and it gives them time to think, and it also gives them options to be creative. So let's see now the second one, which I explored, was the storyboard. It can, using this application, the student is more of like, helping students to read, write, and create their own storybook. The students can create picture book, long form story, a comic, flash fiction, and a poetry. When creating a picture book, the student can select any picture from the collection or story using that picture. It also provides children with challenges that can help them become better writer. It has options like basic writing, creative writing, thematic compositions, children's songs, level reads. And after every challenge, the child can earn a badge, and this can also boost up their confidence. So let's explore storyboard. Same like Animaker, you will also have to create your account. And then, for instance, if I want to write, I want to do a writing, and if I want to do a long form story writing or comics, so you hit on and then you create your own comics, and then you type in whatever you want to type, and then change font over here, and then you preview. Let's put a title, my story, and then you preview. So it's going to show you how you created your own comic story. Another one, if I want to do, is I want to write long form story, and I chose to select penguins. You add a topic and all about penguins, and then you add chapter titles. You can select the pre-image, what the image you want, and then you type on it, owls. You can select the image from left to right, from left side to right side. And then okay, and then you edit it and you go from the long form storybooks, and then you hit save, and then you do it is going to be automatically saved, and you can preview it and it gives you a heading like all about me, and then what is the chapter 1 about? It's about owls. This is another wonderful tool where the child can be, it's more of like, helping the child to create their own story, and use pictures. They can write, they can read, and there are challenges which they can, like, it's a course where you can go through the course and then create your own story. I feel this is more of like, helping students to think, both of these applications helping them students to think, for help them in higher order thinking, and then they can be more creative. Now let's just compare in between those two sites. I found both of these sites a wonderful option. Storybird was something which I was familiar with earlier, but Animaker was totally new to me, and it was amazing. And I was trying to explore all the different options available every day. Each day, there was a small pop-up window which gave me a new video explaining how you can use this animation, how you can create this animation. And there are tons and tons of animation which you can create in Animaker. You can build your own character using the facial expressions, like extensive facial expressions, auto lip sync, smart move, customize everything. Like, you can create your gradient background as well. Whereas Storybird, you can use the template, and there are age appropriate video tutorials to create the story. It helps the students in creativity, and then students can help, like, you take a science concept or any other concepts, and then retell or like any historical event, they can use that Storybird and tell the historical event, and explain the science concept. So both of these, I found it very interesting and very helpful, where the teachers can use it. The Animaker, the teachers can use it when they are doing a PowerPoint presentation, like in a presentation in the classroom and teaching a concept. Or it can also be used for students, like you can tell the students to create something. So it can work in both ways, similarly as Storybird. I hope this is wonderful and gives you a little bit more idea about these two different applications which I explored. Thank you.